Yes, welcome again to another package. We'll not come back after the Nations Cup. Yes, we'll not return to studio to give now all the latest from inside the Bodo Europe as it concerns Eurobalians. Yes, welcome everybody, wherever you do and wherever you watch this one from. I say welcome. This one, Football Republic, and I bring this one to you live and direct. Moku sharply dive into the matter as they concern EPL matches. And the first one we'll go enter talk. By the way, I know my guys inside.
No, introduce us now. They're not going to introduce you.
Somebody don't return from Cameroon. She don't bring anything from Cameroon, Sha.
I bring
Sexy
Cameroon
Joe.
pepper.
She don't want carry man.
Cameroon pepper. Cameroon pepper. Now you bring call from
Bam.
Cameroon.
Why would you Nigerian pepper pass Cameroon pepper?
I don't understand. She don't come back. Sexy Joe day and also Buchi Labalaba self. Follow the
Peace
inside
out.
studio.
Gunners.
Boko enter Manchester United matter. Talk about their wahala. Third straight draw for them and wahala because. Stories why they read from inside England no be better story because if like the players now don't they gang up against Ralf Rangnick. So they even yab in assistant coach. They come and say in Ted Lasso. Coach, we no happy. I don't know if I know Ted Lasso. But seriously, Sexy Joe, make I start with you. If players start to they undermine coaches, it means say the coach no get out again to they even tell them about tactics.
Waiting just happened. Be say waiting day Man United. No be today it starts. Remember when Ole gonna social so when he did there, you know how things take. So you know how things take they go, and that now don't even continue. I don't even know what I don't worse now. I passed before when we say Ole gonna social did there. There's an old style, old school la pen. And this man carry come. And they feel say it no suits their style. They feel say if they play some players out of their natural position, they feel say waiting this man carry come, no go move the team forward. And you see, not be only am they even don't turn against. Even Ronaldo now they under shook eye. Because everybody now they talk say you don't old. Now they know say you don't reach 37. But before they don't know. And they forget say now this same Ronaldo now be the highest goal scorer right now for inside Manchester United. Apart from that one now, they don't even turn against the man where they call Harry Maguire. Say now Akbar and he be for back.
That was a fact.
You know, a lot of things now they for the even the Ralf Rangnick self with the way it is they go, even that position will be say go back to after interim period they over. Even now, they say that's what self don't they in doubt because if you know fit implement all the things we say want to for that higher level for this coaching time, then what it be the need? A lot of things they wrong with Man United. No be today it start. No be today get center parting. It don't say. But the only thing be say fans no get patient, especially fans of Man United. They no get that patient. Not forget to say only a few days ago Chelsea go win waiting FIFA Club World Cup. So when then they remember say other teams they win all those trophies on top table to make top 4 safe. Now war against satanic manipulation this time around. So a lot of things they involved. They know they happy.
Thank you. Buchi,
You know what finish now.
Harry Maguire, 80 million pounds. The fans won't kill him. They won't kill him on Saturday.
They won't finish her.
I don't know.
Honestly, this will not retire.
No, but Captain Hamband, may they see is he still worth to be the captain?
It's not about captain saying handband. See, from day one, Harry Maguire and a bank average defender. Now your normal English bank average defender. Obi say normally they go don't hype and well. He say Harry Maguire no be Englishman. Trust me, the English people don't carry and tow him. Be honest, but they go defend and well now. But it is impossible to defend Harry Maguire. If you want to defend this man, you go stand very foolish because not see what they do right from him positioning. To in movement.
Some people don't talk say that because they don't get better DM. They don't get good team. So now what did they expose Harry Maguire?
Timi, at least do your work first. If you do your work first, other people go use that to help you.
Maybe they do too much.
Who do too much? What did they do too much? Who they help?
If they try to one pass.
If they do too much.
If they try to one do DM work.
Who scored them? Who scored them that goal?
Who sent them?
You go a Burnley score them. No, don't Burnley score them. How you work when
James Rodriguez.
You just leave. Now James score. Wake horse. You just leave your position. You leave everybody. Nobody get back. You come mark player. Expose everything.
And that's why they thought say maybe someone say they get DM when they mark
and also,
Rodriguez.
I think what in the no. The DM they do your work. You can't do DM work again. See,
80 million pounds.
And man, you too. Don't be about the money.
Rolls
they get the
Royce.
money.
No, I think the money to
Make her talk finish now. Make her talk finish.
The money they involve
Make her talk
because when they
finish.
buy you for 80 million pounds,
Okay,
now
we don't go
enough
talk like- come
pressure
here,
on
come
his own,
talk now.
and you can't be average defender.
This girl, she be African racist.
They don't come on you for setting.
I don't know. Just come on me like that. Like, because they
Yeah,
do
okay.
because they do new hair.
You don't
I don't
finish.
want to make my points now.
Oh, yeah, make your point.
Adi Maguire, okay, it go better for them. Next. Yes.
Yes, we'll move on to the top four waka now. We don't talk about Manchester United, say, and then this serious wahala based on say they really get points. West Ham United, now the surprise package now with the and Buchi, you guys talk say this top four, you don't they hot up because you check the table. West Ham 41 points, Manchester United 40 points, Arsenal 39, Wolves 37, Tottenham 36, and the likes of Arsenal and Tottenham get at least 2 games in hand. That's what I mean. Say, it be like this top four. No be Chere can be a kind of story.
Wahala. Because teams won't go Europe. Now, Europe is the most important thing now. I remember the word of Ralf Rangnick when he talks. Say, if Man you finish top 4 right now, the club go there very, very happy. I remember when my dad was when talk this, as I went to talk and say top 4 be like trophy. It was in a lie. But now, in they see the future. And now, will they happen? And the way when me and people say, up gunners, I'm back. Arsenal get chance to make top 4. Arsenal get the full chance. Look table, 22 games. The other teams where they there, I don't play more games more than them. That means if Arsenal win all their games like this, Arsenal take that 4th place. Fantastic. And Arsenal get around because they know they're Europe.
Yeah.
They play like once in 2 weeks. Vacation football they play. True. That means they will get time at least to come back. In terms of too much matches, people will be say at least go fit touch Arsenal. And at Wolves, they don't come out Tottenham for that cup with them day. And so Tottenham too.
They don't come out for Conference League.
For Europe. So Tottenham right now, but then see the FA Cup and the rest. So then go still get some other games. Arsenal need to come back to 4. We need to win Champions League next season.
No,
yes.
which Arsenal?
Remember when Arteta come?
Arsenal of Dynamo
Arteta
Kiev
tell
or
William,
Arsenal of
wait,
Ukraine?
You know they believe.
Brazil.
Arteta tell
Arsenal of
William,
Brazil.
listen to me.
They go win their Champions
Arteta
League.
tell William, say, I'm signing you to help you win Champions League.
You know why I'm happy?
Now William don't come out. Now William with the problem.
Okay.
Now next season, Arsenal or Champions League.
But you remember I said now 3 years. Now 2021, I mean talk about.
Yes, 23 go be next season. Okay. That means he get 1 more year.
Okay.
This podcast, Arsenal win Champions League next season.
Sexy Joe, Moku Shapali enter Champions League matter as it go happen this week. PSG they play against Real Madrid, the big game for inside the Champions League for this week. PSG, their coach na Pochettino. Manchester United, I am. But I feel say if Ingo feel win Champions League for PSG, Ingo set him standard very, very high. Because for me, I know ask you, I never come to you.
Sorry. I don't think
For me, I feel say the holy grail for PSG right now at the Champions League. But right now against Real Madrid, I know if you say it go day easy for PSG.
One thing where you suppose know, like 1 or 2 games now, even Real Madrid and of course PSG they struggle. But then make you also bear in mind, say even Pochettino himself don't reach breaking point for inside PSG because of the way we see their season takes they go. Yes, they top the league, but then with all the things where we say follow join body for inside the club, Sergio Ramos now people they even speculate say if it's retired. The reason why they bring most of these guys come PSG now to win the Champions League because Messi na Syria winner, he they always win anywhere where we say he go. No, only one place he don't go, Barcelona. But then the career come because of the way and of course in work rate. But since we come PSG, yes, he don't score reach like 4 or 5 goals for inside UEFA's Champions League. But still, he never still they showed and that ginger will be say he carry from Barcelona come. Well, for PSG, I go talk say not too good, especially against I think Stade de Reims where they play. Them struggle for that game, managed to win 1-0. Real Madrid, Villarreal hold them to 0-0 draw for weekend. So when you check these two sides, you go see say more or less in the last 1-2 games, they struggle well.
Especially
to even get results.
Benzema not even there available for those games.
To get results. So he get as he be as he get. As far as the round of 16 they concerned, a person where hungry pass go get them, but I still they tilt to the level of Real Madrid.
Real Madrid, but you know they shaking head since. I don't know why. In the talk say Pochettino no go win Champions League. Okay, I agree. But
once I support that, they don't.
How? You want to
make we talk about Inter Milan and Liverpool, another big game for the Champions League. Inter Milan, I don't know. They qualify based on say the Real Madrid group, but then qualify based on they're not to play well for that group stage. But for Liverpool, I don't know whether they feel win league this season.
100% performance for group stage.
I don't know whether they go feel win Carabao Cup final where they go play against Chelsea. But one thing I know, we Jurgen Klopp go the eye na Champions League final.
At least, you know, say for league, on England he don't mess up because we always see the three try the league. He go the vex on his own. But the good thing about him is say he don't win the league before.
Yeah.
And now he go win the Champions League again. Champions League big past the league. The league they give you that glory. But Champions League get all the honor, the respect. And at Chelsea win on the last time.
Yeah.
So even when I'm making go say, okay, Chelsea win, me and you start take a win. See, but Moko no underrate Inter Milan. I'm no say difference day from group stage and rock out. Good example in Nigeria. Difference day.
Must we go there?
No, sorry.
This is Euroboyans. This is not AFCON.
No, that competition.
Euroboyans.
See, difference day. And that's good example in Real Madrid. We don't see them when they're playing for their group stage. The next round, Baba, totally different team. Because something day to win. Inter the top in the Italian Serie A. One of the toughest league right now. Sorry, AC Milan the top. But Inter, Napoli, they give themselves tough time. And the good thing I like about Inter, even though they Conte come out, but they still keep their squad. They still keep the important players for their squad. They even add more.
Yeah.
Second, they miss Lukaku again.
Yeah.
Like every Inter Milan segment right now.
True.
So if Liverpool got there very overconfident, Inter Milan get better score go fit beat them. But if you look at no matter it be, I think Liverpool will just get that small edge because of Klopp and because they get some
Salah,
very good players.
Mane.
And Inter Milan get some players too, but our players pass players. But me, I go like him as a bad belly, but Inter Milan win. But professionally,
Liverpool for the Champions League. Yeah,
No, Champions League.
Win the match
Don't
now.
win this match. You say what Champions League?
No for Champions League. Okay, no vest.
No.
But the match not too Lego.
I know.
Uh-huh.
They go collect draw for go
okay.
beat Inter Milan.
Okay. We can move on to Niger star players and talk about our players that will shine over the weekend for their club sides. Talk about Bourgogne players that will be sayers they give us joy. Moku start from inside France. Moku start from Spain. Sadiq Umar, Sexy Joe, player with everybody. They nearly won't kill that guy.
That's his name. Get power for house.
But he they score goal for Almeria, Sha.
Yeah, in the score goals for me. I think he don't get like 10 goals
yeah,
now
yes.
for
No
UD
figure
Almeria,
back to back.
and of course, exactly. So the only thing we say when it comes to national team, be like say they mess up, but the guy they tried. The only goal against Malaga.
Yeah.
Nice score. Yes.
And your friend, Daddy.
You know,
Daddy Simon.
Just
This one go be
snitch.
Daddy Simon, third goal of the
Free kick,
season.
9 minutes goal.
Exactly,
Sweet one.
fantastic
He got
one.
free kick.
And
Yeah,
of course,
wow.
he did very, very impressive for inside the Nations Cup. The ginger, the swagger,
Wow.
and we don't say I don't come back to in club side. Still, they do the same thing. I hope say this season go good for him, but for me, no being be my Niger star player of the.
We go come to that. Well, Paul, we could talk about Paul Onuachu Buchi. He come back from Wunjo.
From Wunjo for a long time.
Yeah, and he go now. The first time when they score against Standard Liège.
See, good player. Apollo Noachu, na player. In job like Sadiq Umar. This kind of player, you need to make them feel special because they did different compared to the other kind of strikers. Not be say them slow, but you need to at least make the ball fast. If the ball fast for them, then go play well. Check that match when Nigeria play. When Nigeria come out against Tunisia.
Yeah.
When Sadiq enter, he changed the game.
True.
He play very well because
Missed a
the
lot
team
of chances
started to
too.
play fast football. If you slow for them, but they don't get that energy to they move round. So if the ball fast, you go see them more. So 100% I'll go for Paul Onuachu because Onuachu already come up or injury, and he come back and he score. He go help in confidence. This is one of Nigeria best striker
You know, say
last
that the
season.
Salah one of him goals before he scored the
Now
second
you go tell me
one.
this because you're not way right. So he don't do well for himself, and he go continue to do well this season. Paul Onuachu respect to that.
14
Respect.
goals for him this season so
14
far.
goals. So,
14
who,
goals.
apart from these three guys, actually, make I tell and say other players themselves score goal.
George Brother did there.
All those ones, well, they never actually play for Super Eagles, but Mogu just mentioned them. Kingsley Duo scored for Esperance of Tunisia. The other guy we then call Josh Maja, he scored for Stoke City for inside the lower division for England, and also Rabiu Ibrahim.
Rabi Ibrahim.
You don't take.
And then 52.
Rabi Ibrahim
Slovenia.
played, Slava Bratislava.
Yeah.
Wow.
Rabi Ibrahim played only one game last season. Only one appearance. Now he make 90 minutes. Now he play nothing. But this season, he don't get 3 goals.
Funny enough, this match when he play, he entered for 85 minutes.
I did tell you.
Score for I think
90th
90th minute or so.
Yes.
Wow.
Good one for him. Good
Oh,
one
those
for
are
him.
called next DJ Coach. I want to lay
Hey, na him now. Yeah,
Wow.
that's why I go dig him up. When I see him, I say no. We got to talk about him. Rabi
Rabi
Ibrahim.
Been
Ibrahim.
digging deep.
Digging deep. I got to dig him up.
He never reached like 52.
I think
you born am now.
he's 30. Now 30 they put.
Wow.
Yes, my people. Now, yeah, we'll go turn that full stop on top of the
Wow,
matter as
thank
it consider Euroball answer.
Wow.
Thank
Bless
you.
Silas.
You don't do now, guy. You don't do. Remember to subscribe to our channel, Football Republic NG, Football Republic with a K on top YouTube, so that you can get all our videos. Also, click the notification button to make sure you get all our latest videos from inside YouTube. Till I enter my yard again next time, and I do well. And remember, say we will still come your way next week. Also, if you get this podcast for Spotify and other places, the way they get your normal podcast. Now, bye bye, my people.
Football Republic.